Last night I stayed here. Such a beautiful atmosphere around here. You can see big yard. It's natural. This is Parijat Retreat Homestay in the Mandal. Such a beautiful place, wide yard, and the lake of the nature. You can see the hills up there, sun rising over hills, and good for the wildlife photographer because so many birds come here. And this is close to the hotspot of the birds. This is just 400 meters away from here, and you can see here for the bonfire. This is like mud house. So Ganesha also here. There is God also here. Good. This is dining hall. It's clean. There's bird pictures also here. Rudratji. This is proper parking here and just close to the road. This is so calm place. Surely I'll make preppers come here with some wildlife photographers, trackers, and you can also stay here if you're coming through the Chopta, Kaina to Badrinath. The best stay here out of the crowd and just 300 meters up from the main road. And you can park your car here. This is the lake of the nature. And 5 turn up from here on Mata temple. Then this way you can go to Rudranath temple, which is the fourth Kedar in 5 Panchkara temple circuit. Everything is big yard, big parking. The birds also up there. It's been this is the hills of the Rudranath track.